Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing a cantilever beam with a uniform varying load. So what is the aim of the experiment is determine the maximum bending stress and deflection for the cantilever beam given below, draw the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Given Young's modulus is 210 gigapascal and Poisson's ratio 0.3. The length of the cantilever beam is 200 mm and the cross section is square of side 20 mm and the magnitude of uniform varying load is 120 Newton per mm. We will see how to solve this problem by using ANSYS. So, select the discipline as structural in preference, give OK, go to preprocessor, element type, add, edit, delete, add, select the type of element as beam, give OK, then close this. Then go to real constant, add, edit, delete, click add, again click OK, enter the area value, moment of inertia value and height value. The area value is 400 mm square. I am keeping all the data in Newton and mm unit. And moment of inertia is 133.33 and height is 20 mm. We can ignore the remaining commands which is not required for our analysis. Give OK. Close this. Go to material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. The Young's modulus value is 210 gigapascal, so 210 e power 3. E indicates 10 power and Poisson's ratio given is 0.30. Give OK. Close this. Go to modeling. Create nodes in active coordinate system. I will be selecting node 1 as the origin. So, the coordinates are 0 and 0 in x and y. Then for node 2, the given length is 210 mm. I will be selecting the x coordinate as 210 and y as 0. Give OK. Now, in modeling only we have a command called create element. Select that. Then auto number through nodes. Pick node 1 and node 2. Give OK. Element has been created. Now go to load. For applying the boundary condition, go to the structural displacement on nodes. Pick node 1. Since it is a cantilever beam, I will be arresting node 1 in all degrees of freedom. Apply all degrees of freedom. OK. Now we need to apply the uniform varying load. For that, go to pressure, select on beam, click the whole beam, apply. At node I, enter the uniform varying load which have the maximum value and node J, enter the 0. Give OK. We can able to see here how the load is varied uniformly from left end to the right end. Go to the solution, current load step, give OK, close. Close this also. So we can view the result. First we will see the overall deflection. Deformed shape plus undeformed shape in plot results, give OK. This is the overall deflection. Comparatively, for the uniform varying load, we will be getting the maximum deflection when we compare with the point load and uniform distributed load. And to view the other results, we need to define the codes. For that, go to the define table, add by sequence number. The codes are SMISC 2, SMISC 6, SMISC 8, SMISC 12, NMISC 1, NMISC 3. Give OK. So this are all the codes. So how to view the results? Go to plot results, select contour plot, line element result. First we will see the shear force. So for that, at node I, select SMISC 2 and at node J, select SMISC 8. Along with the shear force diagram, we can see the magnitude also. Now for the bending moment, select SMISC 6 at node I, SMISC 12 at node J, give OK. So this is the bending moment value along with the bending moment diagram. At maximum minimum points also we can able to see. Now the bending stress The codes are NMISC1 and NMIS3 at node I and node J. Give OK. We can able to see the maximum and minimum bending stress value along with the diagram. With this, the problem gets completed. Thank you.